I have an announcement and a regret. After doing all this work, I really wish I would have just torn the whole damn ceiling down and put up drywall. But I'm too stubborn and I'm too far along to give up now. So I've decided I am going to skim coat the whole damn ceiling. So I have a confession to make. I've been doing some work without you. I'm sorry. I filled in some of the gaps here, as you can see, trying to figure out how to make this level. So for 90 years this was separated, and different coats of paint and different patches and whatnot have caused it to kind of bow up a little bit there, down a little bit there, and nice and level over here. So we're going to tackle that another time. And it's kind of late at night now, so I'm not going to do this right now either. What I am going to do is patch in some of these holes. So I scraped off the construction adhesive, kind of picked out what I could of the loose plaster. The plan is to paint it with some of this concrete bonding adhesive and acrylic fortifier. That'll give it a nice sticky surface and kind of help hold the existing plaster and backing and all that good stuff together. And then I'm going to mix some of this with some plaster and some joint compound, and hopefully that'll be gluey and sticky enough to not crack and give us a nice level surface, as well as give me a good foundation to run a roller over it and try and match this orange peel texture. Here we go. Well, that was a massive fail. My special mixture gave me literally 5 minutes working time. As you can see, I only got about a quarter of the way there. Looks like it did pretty good. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in everything with just the joint compound and smooth it out, and then we'll do a little top coating and put the texture on that. So I've decided I am going to skim coat the whole damn ceiling. After getting up on the ladder, looking closely at the ceiling, there were tons of little hairline cracks, and I was filling them in, and they're never going to come out right if I just try and smooth it over. So I'm really left with, well, two options: tear the whole damn ceiling down and start over again, or skim coat the whole thing. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the kitchen, and I have news. The cabinets are coming early tomorrow, and we haven't done too much. But I did rip out the paneling on the wall. You can see it's kind of in the same condition the ceiling was. However, tonight the goal is to take down the top cabinets, and that's about it. So here you go. Another surprise. This whole wall, right here anyway, has been patched up with drywall. You can see this plaster and lath here. It's pretty weak. Let's see how far it goes. Oh, there. How far down do we dare go? I think we'll stop right there. Yay! Surprises!